everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. We are here at Artist Session in New York City. It's the fall of 2019, and I am here with Evie Peterson. Brand new, your first time here, yes?
Yes, first time. I'm excited.
It's so excited to have you. And Evie is prepping the hair, and she was saying that people don't always crimp properly. So I want you to break it down from prep to everything, tension, size,
Yeah, what I did is I did Redken Guts 10 from dry scalp to ends, and blow dryer.
And here, I'm going to take it right here. So this is Redken Guts, and why do you pick this one?
I chose that because it gives it a little bit more texture to the hair, because the look that I'm going to do is going to be up, and I need a little more texture to it. So I used the Redken Guts from scalp to ends, and then I did a directional blow dryer and blew dry it up.
Is it misting it, or is it saturating it?
It's just misting it, just to give it a little bit more texture.
Okay, perfect. All right, so then what size section do you take?
So for my crimping iron, what I'm going to do, this is a texture iron from Sam Villa, and what I'm going to do is take like a ½ inch section, and maybe even a little bit smaller than that. And what you're going to do is just take a little thin section here, so maybe about, an inch long or so, and you're going to then just kind of slide it in there, and then just give it a little squeeze, slide down an inch, give it another little squeeze, and just work your way down the strand, following all the way through so you get the nice little ridges throughout the hair. And then you don't have any gaps. But it just gives it a little more texture to the hair, so that way when you're creating your look and you want a little more volume, you can do that.
Okay, what about elevation? If you held it up higher or lower, would that make a difference?
I think you'll be okay. You just want to be in the right body position for yourself, so that way you feel good when you're working ergonomically.
And then what about sizes of sections? I know you said it's a fine section. Is there any one mistake people make, like they maybe make it too thick or too wide?
Sometimes they'll take it too wide, and then you don't have the crimp inside. And so then you're looking for a little bit more texture, and it was just too wide to begin with. So by taking a fine section, it works because you get it on the front and back of the hair. So it's doing what you need it to do. And for some reason, if you wanted to, there had to be a reason why if you took big sections, but usually you'll take a finer section to do it correctly. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then anything about big no-nos, like the hair should not be wet, anything?
Yes.
Yeah, well.
Definitely not wet, because I had some friends and they try to flat iron their hair and crimp it with wet hair, damp, and they're like, it's dry, and I'm like, no, it's not, because you don't want the heat to get on the hair to burn the hair or to frazzle it or anything like that. So definitely make sure the hair is dry.
Yeah, it's too hot if your model bursts into flame.
Yeah. So. If you see smoke, something's going on there.
Something for you to look forward to.
Yes.
All right, so Evie, and it's Evie even though it's Evie.
Yes.
We've all been calling you Evie and figured out that we were doing it wrong. How do we follow you?
Follow me on Evie Designed, and it's EVIEDZINE. I was being a little sassy there. Evie Designed.
Well, thank you, and thank you for coming to Artist Session. Hope you have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.